Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to our panel. Today I would like to present my final year project proposal, study of concrete brick using bamboo ash in terms of durability. First of all, my name is Muhammad Akirul bin Syafi'i, CN 180067, and my supervisor is Professor Maria Technologist Dr. Surayahani binti Adnan. For chapter 1 is the introduction. Background of study. This study is actually to reduce the use of cement in the construction industry. Bamboo, one of the material that been tested to be as replacement or additive to cement, as we can reduce the contaminant to environment. Researchers have been inspired to do more to protect the atmosphere by the idea of environmentally friendly technology in the most developed country. Using waste material as alternative building material has become a common way to solve the environmental problem. Bamboo was selected for its excellent properties, including a modulus of elasticity that is very close to that of concrete, susceptibility to water volume change, and increased ultimate tensile strength. In this study, the purpose of this study by implementing environmentally friendly technology by using bamboo ash to be put in the mixture of standard concrete brick. Then the mixture of concrete brick with bamboo ash would give a better quality and efficiency to concrete brick. This study also focusing on the durability of this product, which is by conducting water absorption test and water permeability test, which can determine age of maximum efficiency. Here are the problem statement. First, the process of cement is the main thing that affect the environmental, which there are sources of carbon dioxide emission during the production. Second one, concrete brick production also give a wide opening to another problem of solid waste due to demolishing building, which lead to increasing of debris that are not safe for environment. The third one, durability of concrete brick can be upgraded to many types of additional material such as plastic and others. To change a bit of the innovation, the use of bamboo ash would increase the durability of concrete brick, since the plastic waste can also affect the environment. So the main thing of the problem statement is to reduce the use of cement and also to reduce the waste that due to demolishing building. And lastly is to increase the durability of a concrete brick. As for the objective, there are three main objectives of this project. First, to identify the potential of using treated bamboo ash as partial replacement or additive for cement in the concrete brick. Second one, to determine water absorption of concrete brick using bamboo ash. And last one, to determine water permeability of concrete brick using bamboo ash. For the scope of study, this research involves three main phases: material properties, mix detail, and sample preparation, and the last one is testing process. The bamboo ash was treated and separated into several percentage. The preparation material includes cement, sand as the standard design mix. Next one is mix detail and sample preparation. In this study, concrete mold was used with different bamboo ash ratio. Same ratio of water and sand used in the study, but different percentage of bamboo ash and cement. The design mix of bamboo ash concrete brick based on standard design. Last one is testing process. The specimen was compacted and curing for 28 days. Then the specimen will go through the water absorption test and water permeability test. As for the significance of study, the use of agro-industrial byproduct as possible substitute construction material is practiced in the construction industry in many countries due to rising of raw material costs and the continued depletion of natural resources. To implement the agro-industrial for construction, the use of bamboo would be one of the best material that involved in the construction, such as rough foundation, bamboo fiber, and bamboo ash. Malaysia, one of the agriculture countries, the plantation of bamboo is one of the most popular plant and can be implemented to use in construction industry. In this study, bamboo is one of the important content in construction material to support and apply the sustainability construction. Jumping to chapter 2, literature review. Here are the summary of literature review. Conventional concrete brick made with poly cement and fine natural aggregate suffer from several weaknesses. The application of sustainable construction using friendly natural material in construction are now developed. To overcome this deficiency and application of sustainable construction, new advanced concrete technology has been proposed. Implementation of new technology of using bamboo ash in concrete mixture to improve the strength, durability and more application that help to improve the efficiency of concrete brick. In this chapter, we explain the focus study on concrete brick, bamboo properties and durability tests. For the first focus on literature review is concrete brick. Concrete brick are mainly used as a construction material for wall and fences. It also known as a concrete masonry unit. A concrete block is one of many precast concrete building item. The word precast refer to how the bricks are shaped and hardened before being used. Most concrete bricks have one or more hollow cavity, and the side may be smooth or patterned. In the construction of building, concrete mortar is used to tie form stone together. Here are several types of concrete brick. We have hollow concrete brick, aerated autoclave concrete brick, solid concrete brick, lintel brick and paving concrete brick. In the term of durability for concrete brick, it's referred to the ability of concrete to withstand considerable loss in quality when subjected to environmental effect. According to TV Reshma, Majunatha and Bharata, that concrete infused with nanoparticle is very resistant to chemical attack. Furthermore, the use of polypropylene fiber improves chemical resistance even further. Along with its weak resistance, the concrete maintains its compressive strength even after chemical exposure. Mean that the mixture of any additive to concrete could lead to a good result of durability. Next focus in the literature review is bamboo ash. Bamboo as a sustainable construction material. According to a study conducted in the construction industry, a bamboo envelope outperforms a traditional brick and reinforced cement building. And because of the cost effectiveness and environmental friendliness, it may be a significant substitute for steel in the concrete reinforcement. Bamboo has a compressive strength greater than brick, concrete and wood, as well as a tensile strength that rival steel. Next one is special properties of bamboo. Bamboo's lightweight allows it to withstand more loads than steel, concrete and woods. Bamboo is one of the most durable building materials available. Bamboo has a much higher tensile strength than steel. Next focus in literature review is laboratory testing. This is a must in a study. The main reason why laboratory test is important can determine the properties and durability of concrete brick using bamboo ash. There are several tests that involved in the study, which is sieve analysis, slump test, and durability test, which is split into two for water absorption and water permeability. But we focus on durability of the concrete brick test. First one is water absorption test. The specimen are dried in oven for a given time and temperature before being put in desiccator to cool for the water absorption test. The specimen are measured as soon as they have cooled. The substance of this immersed in water for 20 hours or until it reaches equilibrium, usually at 23 degrees Celsius. Next one is water permeability test. The permeability of cement, mortar or concrete is especially important in structure that are meant to hold water or come into contact with water. Aside from functional consideration, permeability is also closely related to the durability of concrete, particularly its resistance to progressive deterioration under severe climate exposure and leaching due to prolonged water seepage, particularly when it contains aggressive gases or mineral in solution. Going on to the chapter 3, the methodology. The chapter describes the methodology, design and procedure for the tests involved in the study. This chapter is important to ensure the system of work and flow that guides the complete processes and tests associated with the study in view of objectives, processes and tests are carried out to attain the objective. As we can see, here are the flow chart for the methodology and the flow for this study. First of all, preparation of raw material, which includes cement, fine aggregate, water and bamboo ash. Each of these raw material need to be prepared before design the sample. Next one is the mix design using DOE method, sample preparation and curing. For the mix design, the DOE approach is currently a standard approach of mix design in the United Kingdom. Depending on the type of cement and aggregate used, this method uses the relationship between water-cement ratio and compressive strength. For the sample preparation, as we can see in the table, there are two tests that we held in this study, which is water absorption and water permeability. For the mix design, we are designing a zero bamboo ash, 5% of bamboo ash, 7% of bamboo ash and 10% of bamboo ash, and the total of the specimen is 24. Lastly, curing. After the molding of the concrete cube, the cube has been marked with the marker and placed in the curing tent. The temperature of the curing tent must be at the room temperature, and the duration of curing process for the concrete brick respectively in 28 days. Last one is laboratory testing. First one is sieve analysis to obtain a very quality fine aggregate for concrete brick mixture. Second one, the concrete slump test is a measure of workability or fluidity of concrete. It is a direct measure of consistency or rigidity of concrete. A slump test is a method for determining concrete consistency. So the two main tests is water absorption. Water absorption is determined by test according to BS 1881122 2011, and it's calculated from the weight per unit volume difference between saturated and dry unit. To have a good result, the sample concrete brick has to be cured for 28 days. And the last one is water permeability. The testing is determined and measure depth of water penetration in the concrete brick by following the Eurocode 12398 that sample subjected to 0.5 megapascal of hydrostatic pressure for 3 days. After the 3 days of testing, the sample need to be cracked into half vertically and maximum depth of water penetration need to be measured. Last but not least, for this study is the expected result. This study will be tested 24 number of specimens for water absorption and water permeability tests. Both of the tests will be using the 28 days of cured specimen. The ratio for the concrete brick will be 1:3:6 for control, and for the others mix design is 95:5, 93:7 and 90:10. As for the expected result, it can be able to identify the potential of using treated bamboo ash as partial replacement or additive for cement in the concrete brick. Other than that, the focus on durability of the concrete brick using bamboo ash is achievable since this study is focusing on water absorption and water permeability. And that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.